welcome to another Web Contempo tutorial. Today we'll talk about WordPress categories and how we can create one for our website. First, what is categories? Categories are used to organize your content so that your visitors can easily hop in and find related articles based on that category. There are two ways to add a category. You can add it while writing a post. This is mostly used if you thought of a category that is not listed while working. Go to Post, and then on the lower right side part you can actually add a category. But what I suggest, plan ahead and go to category this way. Go to Post and add category. In here, you can add category name, slug, parent category if you have bigger topics related to your category. The last one is description. This is optional if you want to have a short description related to your category. And then add new to save it. In my case, I choose WordPress tutorial. And the slug would be the same, so I just copied and pasted. And then my parent category is WordPress because it is related to WordPress. Then the description is optional, and then again add new category to save. If you want to edit it, you can click here to view and check your category page. So if you already have articles on that category, most of them will show in the category page. You can edit your category, and also if you want to delete a certain category, just click delete. Thank you again. This is Ed from Web Contempo.